Bible Study Guide. Day 29, Genesis 48 to 50. Jacob is now on his deathbed, and Joseph brings his two sons, Manasseh and Ephraim, to see their grandfather. Jacob tells Joseph that God Almighty appeared to him at Luz in the land of Canaan and blessed him. Jacob then adopts Joseph's two sons as his own, giving them equal inheritance among his other sons. Joseph brings the boys and positions them in front of Jacob, with Manasseh, the older, on his right and Ephraim, the younger, on his left. But Jacob crosses his hands, placing his right hand on Ephraim's head and his left hand on Manasseh's head. Joseph tries to correct him, but Jacob insists that Ephraim will be greater than Manasseh. Jacob blesses Joseph, saying that God will bless him and his descendants. He also gives Joseph a portion of land in the Promised Land, which he took from the Amorites with his sword and bow. On his deathbed, Jacob summons his sons and tells them what will happen to each of them in the future. Some receive blessings, while others receive curses. Reuben, the firstborn, is told that he will not excel, for he had slept with his father's concubine. Simeon and Levi are also cursed because of their violent anger towards the Shechemites. Judah receives the blessing, for he will become the ruler of his brothers, and from him will come the ultimate ruler, Jesus Christ. Zebulun will dwell by the sea. Issachar will be a strong donkey. Dan will be a serpent on the roadside. Gad will be attacked but overcome his attackers. And Asher will have rich food and produce royal delicacies. Naphtali is described as a doe set free that bears beautiful fawns. Joseph's descendants receive a long blessing of prosperity and abundance. Benjamin is described as a ravenous wolf who devours his prey in the morning and divides the spoils in the evening. Jacob instructs his sons to bury him in Canaan with Abraham and Isaac. After giving these blessings, Jacob dies at the age of 147. Joseph weeps over his father and directs his physicians to embalm him, a sign of honor and respect. Joseph then requests permission from Pharaoh to take his father's body back to Canaan for burial. Pharaoh grants this request and even sends an official escort with them. After the burial, Joseph's brothers fear that he will seek revenge for their past actions against him. But Joseph reassures them that what they meant for evil, God used for good. After living in Egypt for 17 years, Joseph dies at the age of 110. He makes his brothers promise to take his bones back to Canaan when God delivers them from Egypt. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.